There's a space inside the Riker Building that's still available. And honestly, I don't understand why. Because if you're serious about what you're building, this has got to be one of the best options in the area.
I see a lot of office spaces. Most of them feel the same. Fluorescent lights, bland layouts, nothing memorable. But every once in a while, you walk into a place that just feels different. And this one, it stuck with me. Not because it's flashy, but because of what it could become. So I came across this suite, Suite 900, tucked inside the Riker Building. And it's one of those spaces that people are somehow overlooking, which is surprising because usually spaces like this don't sit. They get picked up fast, but this one hasn't. And that's where the opportunity is. Let me show you what I mean. When you walk in, the first thing you notice is the light. It doesn't feel closed in. It doesn't feel corporate. It feels open, like you can actually think here. This is the kind of place where you sit down with a client and they take you seriously. You bring your team in and it feels like momentum. You show up every day and it actually makes you want to work. There's a difference between having an office and having a space that reinforces what you're building. This is the second one. What makes this different isn't just the layout, it's the positioning. It's in a building that people already respect. It has just enough character to stand out without being distracting. And it gives you something that most offices don't: presence. And if you're in a phase where you're trying to grow, that matters more than people think. But here's the part that I keep coming back to. Why hasn't someone taken this yet? Because usually someone would have. And when something good is still available, it usually means one of two things. Either people haven't seen it, or they didn't recognize it. And that's kind of the whole point here. Most people don't know what they're looking at. This isn't for everyone, but if you're a small team trying to level up, a creative studio that needs a real home base, a founder who's tired of working out of temporary spaces, this makes a lot of sense. Because this isn't just about square footage, it's about identity. I look at spaces like this all the time, and most of them, I forget pretty quickly. This one, I didn't, and that's usually a sign. So if you've been looking for something different, something that actually feels like the next step, this might be worth a closer look. If you want details, just reach out. We can schedule your showing today. And if nothing else, start paying attention to the spaces that people overlook, because sometimes that's where the best opportunities are hiding.